Hello, I would like to invite you to my video and join my project titled Creating Health Together. It is my proposal for a broad understanding of the importance of health and its promotions of all ages. I am passionate about it. In my video, I invite you to respond to 4 questions that will help you to take a step forward to health, to strengthen it every day. Please join this action for yourself and you will see that we begin together to create health for others through our own influence. By example, we'll become winners, winning health for yourself, family, and others. You are very welcome.